A very good morning to all of you. In this video, we will see the student online admission process. So we'll start the process by the email provided by MAKAUT in your registered email ID. So here in this video, I am using one of the student email ID in which the link, username and password is being provided. So this kind of mail is being provided by MAKAUT where you can find the link along with the username and password. So initially, the username and the password will be your registered mobile number. So to start the process of online admission, I am using this username and password in this particular link. So once you click on the link, you will see this kind of page in which you have to enter the username, the password, captcha, and just click on login. Once you click on login, you will see the terms and condition page. In this page, you have to just scroll down, click on this checkbox, and then you have to click on OK. Once you click on OK, this particular page will appear in which you have to enter the old password, which is your mobile number, your new password, you have to confirm your new password, here is your registered mail ID. You have to verify this particular registered mail ID. So you have to click on verify. Once you click on verify, an OTP will be sent to your registered mail ID. So as you can see, in this particular mail, an OTP is being generated. So here I am selecting this particular OTP